Using an Affirm virtual card in store is a convenient and secure way to make purchases. To get started, you need to have an Affirm account and a virtual card set up. First, download the Affirm app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the virtual card section and click on Add to Wallet. This will prompt you to add your virtual card to your digital wallet such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. Next, go to the store where you want to make a purchase and let the cashier know you want to pay using your digital wallet. Open your digital wallet on your device and select the Affirm virtual card as your payment method. The cashier will then scan the QR code or tap the card reader to process the payment. When using your Affirm virtual card in store, make sure to have a stable internet connection to avoid any issues with the payment processing. It is also essential to keep your device charged and ensure that your digital wallet is up to date. Additionally, be aware of the spending limit and interest rate associated with your Affirm virtual card to avoid any unexpected charges. To avoid declined transactions, ensure that your Affirm account is active and has sufficient funds available. You can check your account balance and transaction history in the Affirm app. If you encounter any issues with your virtual card, you can contact Affirm customer support for assistance. In summary, using an Affirm virtual card in store is a straightforward process that requires you to have an Affirm account, a virtual card set up, and a digital wallet. By following these steps and best practices, you can make secure and convenient purchases in store using your Affirm virtual card. Always review the terms and conditions of your Affirm account to ensure you understand the fees and interest rates associated with your virtual card.